Empire. You know I can send you.
Dad, can you play that again?
Stop. Hold up.
Baby, won't you?
Oh!
Somebody.
He needs some milk.
Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, guys. You guys know I've been pushing out the hair videos. So if you should sit here right now and cap and say you guys have not been getting hair videos from me, then you guys are capping. You guys are lying. And if you sit right, it's a lie right now on wicked. Period. Anyways, today I will be working with the lovely Mild Wild Wig. So I'll be working with this hair company today. Thank you, MildWild, for sending me this wig. This wig is another headband wig. Guys, the headband wigs have been coming in. You know, this always happens. Like, I will be there and want to try a wig or a type of wig that came out, and I sit down how long I wait for somebody to actually send me the wig, and then one company sends me the wig and I try it and I'm like, okay, I got the content from my YouTubers or my my subscribers, and then I just start getting bare headband wigs. Like, where were you guys? But anyways, this video will be on another headband wig, but before I jump into this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Now let's start out by showing you guys what I have in this box right here. So what MildWild Wigs sent to me. So this is how the box came. It's a diamond shaped box, almost just like my lash boxes, I think so. And what's so cool about this box is the fact that it has a little bit ajar, almost like a jewelry box type of vibe. So it has a little jar right here and the opening right here. So the content of the box. So obviously I need the wig, because without the wig this video is not possible. So yeah, got the wig right here. They sent me a wig cap. Sis, I should start selling wig caps. I just want to make it clear that this video is not about this head cap. It's about the wig. Focus on the wig and not the head cap. Focus on the wig, not the head cap. So yeah, I'm not gonna be using that because I have one on my head already. They sent me a booklet of how, okay, so pretty much is their brand, what they're for, why you should choose them, the type of hair that they have, the history of the company, point blank, period. Then whoa, okay, can somebody propose to me? I got a little have a nice day type of rose vibes. I guess this is for a little dwarfs though, because like, but it's cute. It's cute. I ain't gonna lie, it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. But like I said, I don't think for a grown person, you know, but it's cute. It's cute. And obviously they sent me a headband to put on the headband wig. Okay, so that is what came in the box. That's all, folks. That's all. Now let's go on to the real star of the show, the wig. I don't remember, I think this is a curly wig. It is a curly wig actually. So I think, yo, one thing with me, I can never ever remember the length of wigs that these companies be sending me and the texture of the hair. I need to start searching up information, but I might not say them in the video, but I always have them down below. So below I will be adding the link to the video. Why does my camera look clean? Yeah, so I will be adding the link to the video, to the hair, down below, the website, all of that. I think I have a discount code as well, so that will be down below, and obviously the details on the hair, so the texture that it is, the density, and the length. I don't remember right now. I will have to go and look for my comb, my phone, and like sis is not trying to get up, so it will be down below, or I'll probably just put it over the screen somewhere, but you guys would know. Okay, ooh, okay, so this is not a 1B hair. The hair smells like the regular you know, the regular bundle smell that every hair company pretty much has. Okay, so this texture is kinky curly. I'm not sure if I'm gonna comb it out because I don't like when my curls are too defined. Yeah, I don't like when it's too defined, so I am going to be combing it out. But just like the last wigs, it comes with the velcro strap. Ooh, okay, comes with the velcro strap. It comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 at the back, and it also comes with a strap, like the bra strap type of vibe, to tighten the wig, but I don't think I'll have to tighten it if I'm already using the comb. But yeah, this is what the wig is, this is how the wig is looking. As for the color, guys, I'm not sure what color this is, but it is definitely giving me an dark brown, conjun, deep something color right here, but it's not 1B. It's not 1B. It's definitely not 1B. Okay, so like I do for all my curly wigs, I'm gonna comb this hair out because I want it. No, I'm gonna comb it out. So okay, so one thing's for certain, 2 things for sure. If I'm doing this hair color, I would definitely need to do a lace wig with it, just because my hair is not brown. That's a thing. But for me personally, I would have to pull this down. Okay, my thoughts on this hair right now. One, I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts on this hair right now. The quality of the hair is bomb. So it's soft, smells like regular, you know, bundle hair. no like smell that will kill you. Color wise, for me, and this is just for me, I would rather get this hair in a 1B. But that's just for me though. If you're going to get this color, then you can't really push it back too much, because the entire, I guess you can if you want to have that ombre type of vibes, but for me personally, I would rather the roots right here be black as well, or dark, or 1B, which is my hair color, my natural hair color. Yeah, so with this wig, you definitely cannot really push it back too far if you want it to seem as if it's your real hair. And it didn't take much to go on, like a 1, 2, and you're good to go. So they did send me this they did send me this headband. I'm just gonna put it over it. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much the finishing look. I literally just did the bun. Can't find my bobby pin, so this will have to work. Yeah, so this is definitely how I would do this wig if I'm supposed to actually wear it out to go somewhere. I just feel like leaving it like that was too boring. I wasn't really feeling it like that. You need to style it. And the good thing about these wigs is that because you have your natural hair at the front, you're able to style it as if it's your natural hair. So sorry, putting it up in a bun or a low bun or whatever, just putting it to the back, doing like a chill type of moment, still will look cute, still will look natural. Your natural hair is at the front because it's kinky curly. If you have natural hair, the back part is, if your back of your hair is kinky as and everything, it won't look like, you know, much of a difference. Like, oh my gosh, probably only the color. But again, a lot of people lift the ends of their hair. A lot of people lift the ends of their hair, so it's not even like, oh, like, you know, it's not something like, oh my gosh, it's there, like it's not obvious or none of that. So yeah, I love this wig. Like I said, if I was supposed to get it again, I'll probably get it in 1B color, but I like it. It's cute, it's giving me a look. Yeah, I love this hair. Thank you again, MildWild Wigs, for sending me this hair. This is literally a 5-minute install, not even, like you could probably do it less than 5 minutes, but I'm just put it 5 minutes. But thank you again, MildWild hair, for sending me this wig. Love it. If I should order this again, I definitely would, but just in 1B. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to watch the ads. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this wig. Do you think it's money worthy? Let me know down below. What do you think I should have done differently? Should I have had a longer length, a different color? Do you like this color? Do you like this length? But yeah, just let me know your thoughts down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye. Body, 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 body,